Guys, welcome back to another recipe again. This recipe is some power pot roast pork. Power or drink. Guys, me just there and say, say, pot roast a pork and one thing, but guys, me never have nothing more. Me never shown up on the start. Me just showing them season up and thing for the time put it in the fridge. And they said it's a pork that me pot roast and thing with peeps. So you don't know. I'm gonna show you guys how I do my recipe. See the pork they can cook in a way. Cause you remember say you have to cook the pork first now peeps. I don't know when I oven. Some people put in the oven and thing guys, but they don't know we are doing it all time ways. Right? Yeah, remember say a modern time now oven was used, but they don't know lumberjack are doing all time ways. Because lumberjack creative and me have patient. Yeah. See the power there at the first me I go try the power. But guys, me just there think about it and I try it and it work it nice. Man, I tell like guys. You can try it and comment. So you know, so I have some Maggie hard to eat here because I remember I said pork that from the time I season the pork outside and at the fridge and thing where you don't know say. Well, through the other water you have to have little more taste and flavour, so you put a little more Maggie to it to get taste and flavour even though you know my peeps here. So I show you an update. I was showing from the beginning of me at first, I just start showing a preview. Right? So this is a pot roast power pork, nice, eatable, tasteable. Guys you can try it and comment, so I'm gonna add the power to it. At the first I do it. But I'm not until like taste nice and alright. Come spice up it and cook it my way how me want it. So you can try it and cook it your way how you want it, right? So I have to uncle spinners and things like peeps and things, you know. Yeah, because you don't know say style and style can't spoil along, but they're creative. Guys, the recipe are nice, eatable, tasteable, delicious, tasteable. Guys, remember 7 times rise, 7 times fall. We don't believe in the falling thing. Big up the sexy body girl, big up the true warrior, and big up Father God first and everything you're doing peeps, right? Yes, so guys, see the pork cook and soft and things, so I'm showing say, yeah, make the pork cook first. Right, guys? The recipe are eatable, tasteable, delicious, finger licking. Peeps, I'm not telling you no lie. Guys, more you try this a power pot roasted pork and tell me about it. Peeps, to see pork cook and soft and you can show the fork right through. Remember making meat cook and raw meat cannot eat. Right guys? Yeah. So guys, you don't know, so another update again for it and things. So I say, yeah, so I'm going to show you how I spice up it. I have some ketchup. I do simple natural pot roast pork, you know guys. I put the season up about 2 weeks at the fridge, the season up in the fridge for right. And the last time I cook the pork, right? So you know me has done ketchup and things as normally, same taste and flavour. Right? Me love my ketchup, at the end of the day, tomato, I can't find them at home. I don't know really ready to be, but at the end of the day, my ketchup I use in my pot. Right, when I see tomato, I buy it. Yeah, so once I love to make ketchup and things, I don't really respond. I use what I have, so use what you have in your recipe, right? Yeah. So we have some dumpling right this alongside. So you know there's some pot roast, power pork and caramel dumpling. Yeah, I'm not getting the yam this week. I'm gonna get the banana and the sweet potato. So I use what me have. And I satisfy with what I have, right? Yeah, and I eat what I have. So another update again. You can see. So the pork are simmer there and thing my peeps, because you don't know. Pot roast pork are nice. Next time, I can put food in the oven and thing, but in the day, and the pot meal my one all time days. Remember I said before stove, a pot roast. And now them use stove, right? So I use the pot. So guys, remember to like and share. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. So you can see the recipe there. Eatable, tasteable, delicious, finger licking. Guys, man, I tell you no lie. Please remember to like and share. Watch the video to the end. Like, share, and till you're done, you press subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. So guys, about pork soft and thing there, remember you have to cook the pork till it's soft. You can't make it raw, guys, so you don't know. More my thing go down to gravy and thing, you know. Yeah, and by the pot roasted power pork, pot roasted. It's a recipe of eatable, tasteable. The first I try recipe, man, I'm not gonna lie. Be honest with you know, the first I try it, my fans. But it's nice, man, I'm telling you no lie. Guys, eatable, tasteable, you can try it and comment and tell me back about the recipe in the comments. The pork well soft and nice and thing there. So now give it for the next 10 more minutes to go down or me want it. I want my gravy to eat my dumpling, that's why I'm do it that way guys. Yeah. So you don't know so the recipe kinda ready and things, so you know you want to 10 more minutes. Still want to go down man and things, you don't know we have enough dumpling to eat with gravy and things, sorry. So we never have some dasheen and yam and then breadfruit and things, but you don't know. Through storm pass, then breadfruit tree they kinda blow off and things, so we have to use what we have dumpling. Yeah, we just make some dumpling and we eat some dumpling and satisfied with what we have. Yes guys, because you don't know. The pot roast pork's nice, eatable, tasteable, delicious, power. And I'm telling like peeps. John knows the power pot roast nice, but I'm telling like John know tasteable. See dumpling cook and make them cook first, because I don't know a caramel dumpling. They have to boil good peeps. You can't them power them swell the belly, you see it, you drink enough water. Get to me, I say, nah, go nice. So make them boil for all and half an hour. So me I say, when them well boil down. You don't know? Yeah, I run 20 minutes, 25 minutes, but they don't know half an hour because we know the pan of yes, because we do my cook and thing. Yes, the pot roast power pork ready there. So I cut it up. Now, so I want the presentation of the pork and things. I add some of the power, nice sauce, gravy, over it and thing. See the bone is, you know, say pork well cooked and nice. So I take out the bone it there. Peeps, it's a recipe and nice, eatable, tasteable, delicious. Remember for like and share. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. It's a recipe, eatable, tasteable, delicious. Guys, remember to try the recipe and comment and tell me. See dumpling them boil and ready there. Yes guys, you can see presentation and things. You must try them. This the pot roast pork, they're pretty, eatable, tasteable presentation. Yes guys, the recipe are eatable. Remember for like and share.